us. Our guest speakers and instructors have provided us with a wealth of information and expertise, and I hope you leave not only with the head full of knowledge, but also with the heart full of inspiration. Remember, the journey of learning doesn't end here. It's a continuous process. As you return to your daily lives and workplaces, I encourage you to apply what you have learned in AI. On that note, I would request Dr. Gupta to please conclude the session and take forward the closing ceremony.
Thank you, Shweta. Before we proceed further, I would like to thank all the people and funding agencies which have helped us organizing this event over the years. I would like to thank Department of Biotechnology for the generous funding for this Bioinformatics Center at ICGEB, which we have been running since 2005. And ICGEB fundings as well, because of which we could hold this workshop. I would also like to thank Director ICGEB and AO ICGEB and their entire administrative staff, who have been quite helpful in all the mundane things which we are required to organize such events, which is one of the main mandates of ICGEB incidentally. And we do organize such workshops every year. Please do take your time and visit our website, where we give entire list of all the events that are being planned for next year and for the rest of the year. I encourage you to go to the website and see what are the workshops which are matching with your research interest. And I assure you that these workshops are very useful as we get to learn from the feedback from various participants as well. So we have already circulated the feedback form for this workshop, and as I requested, please do take your time and write behind the sheet whatever has been asked is objective, but if you want to give additional comments so that we can improve the future workshops, you are welcome to do so, and we'll definitely try to include those suggestions that you will give, so in order to make these workshops better. So I hope you have had a wonderful sessions last 3 days. And I hope you will find these hands-on and workshops useful for your research work. And do keep in touch and let us know whether these sessions have been useful in your work or not. And all the faculty have promised that they will be answering to your queries if you have any when you go back and run the hands-on. If you face any problem, please let us know or write directly to the faculty. They will be happy to answer your queries. So before I take too much time, I would like to request Director ICGEB, Professor Sonti, to say a few words to conclude the session.
Thank you, Dr. Dinesh Gupta. Thank you, Professor Raghava and others who are here. It's a pleasure to have very distinguished faculty coming and interacting with all of you. As Dinesh is saying, one of the mandates of ICGEB is to conduct workshops in frontier areas of modern biology and biotechnology. And there is no other area that I can think of right now that is more important than artificial intelligence and machine learning. I know that your previous workshop was a couple of years ago on this same topic, but between now and then, the applications of AI and machine learning are rapidly increasing in biology, and I feel basically the next generation of biologists will not be able to, their training is not complete unless they have a good grounding on how to use AI and machine learning in their work. I remember Professor Raghava many years ago was telling me about it. We had met in, I think it was in INSA, I don't remember. He was actually using weather patterns, historical weather patterns, to predict disease occurrence. So he is a forerunner in this field, and at that time itself we thought it was exciting, but now I think the whole field has exploded, and it is going to be essential for people to be able to do modern biology in the future. So as Dinesh has said, please go back and try and apply this knowledge in your whatever activities, research activities you are involved in, and try and get a leg up, because you will be the pioneers in your field as you as you apply these, because all aspects of biology, whether you're looking at disease diagnosis or disease prediction, when disease will occur, when you have to plant seeds in a field, okay, then how people are using genomic selections in for plant breeding based on genotype and on a large population, and phenotypic data on a smaller test population. People are trying to make predictions about what are the genotypes that are going to have the traits of interest. I mean, that's something that a few years ago I would not have imagined would be an application, but today that's actually the forefront of the cutting edge of plant breeding. So lots of applications all over the whole field of biology, and I would really urge you to make use of it, and please give us your feedback. As you said, if you feel that there are certain things that would have, I know you're coming from different backgrounds, so if there are certain things that you feel that could have been done better for you to be able to understand the workshop better, then please let us know, so that the next workshop in this series we can include them in the same. Okay, thank you all. Thank you very much.
So I would request Sir, Raghava Sir and Director Sir and Dinesh Sir to please come and give certificates to our participants. So first we have Miss Devlina Sarkar.
Where do we get here? Or?
Sir, upstairs please, yeah. Okay, okay.
आप नाम बोलते हैं छाया को बोलते हैं
Please.
मैम बैग यहीं से देते रहना है
हाँ, ठीक है.
बैग यहीं से देते रहेंगे पार्टिसिपेंट नीचे आएंगे
Go from that side. Pooja Chaudhary, Manisha Rajput, Ankita Kumari, Sri Rupa Mitra, Kunal Rai, Devrat, go from that side, please. Go from that side. Payal Gupta, Ritvik Gupta, Harshita Tiwari, Biswaroop Mahato, Anshul Verma, Shivani Sharma, Ankita, Shaban Ahmed, Ritika, Shilpa Sharma, Pramod Kumar, Vikas Shukla, Govinda Rao, Akriti Jain, Renu, Shameen, Tanvi Singh, Arun Kumar,
मैम
Tanvi Singh,
इनको भी बैठ देना अभी
Arun Kumar, and Rashmi Anand.
आपका ICGEB इंटरनेट
Shahnawaz Nazmeen Rizwana, Kartika Singh,
Now we have volunteers for the workshop, without whom this workshop would not have been possible. So big round of applause.
Sushmita, Dr. Deeksha,
अभी
ललिता,
बाद में
Shazir,
हमें बैठने लेना हम बाद में लेंगे पिछले साल में नहीं था
Tamsil, Sangeeta, Sonu Kumar, Hemant, Neetu Tyagi, Chaya
बाद में
Gujra,
बाद में
Neeraj, Can we have one more photograph, please? Everyone, please come to the stage. Fast, fast, fast.
नहीं शामिल की वो जो रेड चेक्स में है ना हाँ चल
जल्दी